Mother Earth, Father Sky. That's the religion. What's around you, make the best use of it. Enjoy it, embrace it.
The way city has spread.
Yeah, sadness. It's one of the reasons I come down here, for nature. Growth, river, bird life, rodents. It's life. They screw up the whole landscape. They don't care because it's all about this.
When you see that cities in the world, now for example Delhi, Dhaka, Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh City, all the rivers around them are like drains.
Terrible. I've been to Thailand
Yeah.
in 1990 and saw that river that ran through the Bangkok.
In 1990 that was polluted.
It was terrible, and
Now
saw
you
the kids swimming in it, jumping, playing. Plastic.
bottles. Disgusting, isn't it?
Yes. Countries in like Southeast Asia.
Bangladesh, India.
Yeah. Look at the population of India, Bangladesh. Oh my God. But they still survive. It never stops. It's 24/7. It's easy. That's it. What gets me is how they're more worried about what's up there in space than what they are there. They can't get rid of famine. Famine's always existed. Terrible.
Yeah.
But the people today, I think they are aware of it.
But they say that it was unavoidable because of the population growth. Do you think it's unavoidable? It's all the mindset.
That's right. That's how they're taught. When they go to schools, what do they learn? As children, they learn respect, how to be clean, hygiene. It's so sad. And then they get on the television and, even Australians, we're going to give so much money to build these nuclear weapons and we'll be safe in the Pacific and then South China Sea. Go and spend the money on the children. Go and spend it on the people. Suffering.
Like India, Pakistan.
Yeah, exactly. The attitude is, who cares, I'm alright. No.
And they are spending money on nuclear weapons.
Yeah, or putting people up in space.
Yeah, space.
Why? You can't even look after yourself down here.
Yeah.
So it's debatable, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Americans are still backing the Israelis. It's
Sad, right?
yeah. You got the United Nations. They make a decision. They all sit around the table and go, "No, you can't do this." And well, they just keep on doing it. Then they hammer hospitals, schools. That's where
Refugee camps.
That's where they hide. Because they think they're going to be protected. They set up all their, Hamas and all that. But you don't go and bomb hospitals and children. It's worse than the Germans, mate. What they did. Back in World War II. It's genocide. It's terrible. And we're going to live with it every day, but not everyone thinks about it every day because we're all safe here. But when you turn on your social media, it's in your brain, mate. Put on your television, it's there. They just go like this. It's the news of the day, and then what's the news the next day? What's happening?
It doesn't impact us anymore. We just
And
take
1
it.
million people extinguished from their house and home and city, country. Oh, it's terrible. We're dropping, food supplies. It's bullshit. They drop more arms there than they do food. It's sad. And
So David, you said that you were born as a Catholic Christian,
yes,
but
definitely.
now what is going on in your mind?
There's no up there.
So-
Everything's down here, which is Mother Earth, Father Sky. That's the religion. What's around you, make the best use of it, enjoy it, embrace it. We're here one day, the next day we're gone.
It also coincides with the philosophy of the Aboriginal people.
But they don't speak about it.
Yeah.
Very tight-lipped, whereas people that are religious speak out a lot.
So you are saying that religious people speak a lot,
Yeah.
but they do
They
less.
want followers. They want people to join their
Oh.
happiness, their journey. That journey stopped when I turned 12, 13.
And then
And I chose my own way.
you chose your own way.
Yeah.
That you are saying that Mother Earth and Father Sky.
Correct.
And if we believe that, we won't spoil the Mother Earth. Like if you look at the rivers,
Exactly.
if you look at the rivers in India,
Oh,
they worship rivers as gods, but they have got the most polluted rivers in the world.
yeah, I look at that and, you eat from the river, you bury your lost family, friends, people in the river. It all comes from the mountain and just flows all the way down. And there's death in every river. So that I can accept. Because it's flowing, continuously flowing
Yeah.
from the Himalaya.
From the Himalayas to the Bay of Bengal.
Oh, and that's okay.
Mm.
But, and they more or less do think the same way. Mother Earth, Father Sky. They eat, everything's from the river. Without the river, they're gone. Wouldn't be able to survive.
This simple truth people don't understand, that everything is coming from the river.
Everything. Without water, we're finished.
Yeah.